Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N20C5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N20C5 only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, it's likely that the charging port has become loose or damaged. This can happen over time due to wear and tear or frequent plugging and unplugging. If left unfixed, the issue can worsen, potentially leading to complete charging failure, which may render your device unusable. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, some tweezers, and a replacement charging port specifically for the Acer N20C5. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of your Acer N20C5, being careful not to damage the casing. Once open, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It will be attached with a few screws, typically Phillips screws. Use the small Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any cables attached to the charging port, taking care not to tug too hard as this could damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you can remove the faulty charging port from its slot. Take the replacement charging port and align it carefully, ensuring it sits correctly within its designated area. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure yet not overly tight. Once everything is reconnected, replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not excessively, to avoid damaging the motherboard. Next, carefully reattach the back cover of your Acer N20C5, ensuring it clicks back into place securely. Power on your device and check that it charges properly without holding the cable at an angle. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid using excessive force when plugging in the charger, and ensure that the charging cable itself is in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.